Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a line graph in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. Okay, so let's suppose that if you want to make a line graph here, first of all you have to select the cells of which you basically want to make a line graph. Okay, so let's suppose if I want to make a line graph of this column A here, okay, which contain these values here, I will select this column and then I will tap on this insert option here, and here you can see in this charts option we have multiple charts that we can make. So this is the line chart, okay, this one. Just click on this one and then you can see that we have this multiple lines. Okay, we have these 2D lines and 3D lines as well. So let's suppose if I want to draw this simple line graph, I will just click on this one, and now here you can see that we have added this simple line graph or line chart here. So you can basically customize it. If you want to change the name, you can change the name of your chart here. You can basically change these values here, and you can basically add some more access to it. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.